Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Before I start this video, I just have to complain and say I have the worst back pain today. I really need to go to someone to fix this because this is killing me. And I've been planning on filming this video the entire day and it's almost 7 now. So I am in pain today, and also it is the absolute worst weather out. It's been raining and it's been dark and gray the entire day, and therefore it's been hard to sit down and film. I've been just laying on the couch with Tebow, not doing anything. But I'm actually super excited to sit here now because making videos, filming videos, doing weird shit to my hair is probably one of few things that actually makes me excited. And this is actually something that I've wanted to try for so long. I saw another YouTuber, this girl, don't know her name at the top of my head at least. She tried this out and I thought it looked so cool. So I was like, this is something that I want to try. Maybe some of you guys have already seen her video, but then I mean, you have to see this twice because don't click out. The thing that I am talking about is the Pravana Vivid Mood Colors. That is made like, oh no, wait, this is the thing. The Vivid Mood Color Heat Activated Color Pigments. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors, and this is a color. It becomes another color when it becomes warm. This is not a permanent color, so you wash it out afterwards. So what you do, apparently, I might be wrong, you use 1 part of this little powder mixture and 3 parts of this color cream. And you put it on your hair with one of these sponges. Your hair should be towel dried and a little wet, so I just have some water in this setting spray bottle. And then you should just blow dry your hair and play around with it. So let's just try it, I guess. All right, we have a little bowl. I'm just gonna put in the cream, like that maybe. I've actually wanted to try the Pravana colors. If you guys have tried them, let me know if they're any good. I really want to try out the dark gray ones. I'm first off going to start off with the Smoky Gray-Invisible. We have 2 ones that become invisible, which is really cool. Okay, I'm just gonna put in. This is how it looks. This is very liquidy. I'm just gonna mix it. It looks like a almost black color. Maybe I used way too much of the pigment. I don't know. I should probably put on something else. I'm just going to remove this. Ooh, I'm naked. Ooh. Should I put on some water first maybe? I don't know. Ooh. What if this stains my hair? Oh no. Oh well. Oh, this is so satisfying, and I've been wanting dark hair for so long, and maybe I can fake it now. Oh, that would look so bomb to have my hair like a dark gray and turn into this like white silver that I have. That would look so cool. Okay, like that. Or should I do my whole hair? No, okay, let's just wait. Okay, then let's just dry this. And apparently what it says is if I use heat, it should be invisible. Can you see that? Here, oh my god, it is invisible. How freaking weird is that? Okay, and now when it is starting to cool down, you guys can probably see that it's starting to become colored again. Let's see how long it takes. It's been like 2 minutes now and it's not fully there yet. I think that I've had it down to here, right? And it right now just looks a little bit weird. But I just have to try this, you guys, because I am obsessed with this look. So I will use the rest of it in my roots, the same color. Okay, this is probably going to take a while for it to dry, so I'm just going to go right away in with the another color, and this is lime green to sunny yellow. There we go. The green is in. I think that even though it looks patchy AF, it looks pretty cool. Is it just me? Probably. Okay, the thing is, I for sure could have applied this better, but I don't know how it could ever look good. Like this gray color, I mean, it just looks so patchy and dry. And I can notice that some parts of my head is just warmer, like around my hairline. I feel like it's the heat makes the color react. I mean, like, what the hell? It is invisible, but I feel like it's also vanishing. You know what? I'm just going to mix a little bit of these two shades as well, and we shall see. I will put one, like, a streak here and then one here, I think. Where the hell is the other color? I'm so confused. And what is this? What is this? Hello, what? It's been like 15 minutes and I am very confused about these colors. I feel like I put them somewhere and then they just disappear. There must be heat coming out of my head here because this won't turn dark again. So we are just gonna let this amazing hair mess be. This is peach to invisible. Oh my god, did you guys see that? Wait, I don't even need my straightener. This is so cool. Oh my god, can I make it like a handprint? Okay, almost. Oh my god, no. I just want to do stupid stuff now. Oh my god, what can I do? That's fun. Let's do some tiger stripes. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, you guys can barely see this side now, but should I bring tiger stripes back? I feel like tiger anything is kind of on trend right now. So, should I? This is so weird. This is just so weird. I love it so much. From just playing around with this now for a while, I think it's such a cool idea, and I actually think it could be a really cool thing if you just did like one piece, maybe on like the middle of your head, so it's not too close to your face and hairline, because what I've noticed is that it's super sticky almost. It's not very nice to touch. Ugh, I'm like grossed out by it. I am 100% serious right now. I feel like I want to do some tiger stripes. Let me know what you think. Does this look weird or what? Oh no, I tried to do a cross. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just like a very stupid video, I know, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are interested in these products. I will link them down below. I just found them on eBay, or if it was Amazon, I don't really know. That's it. I'm gonna go now. Have a great day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye babes.